officially recording now. Trip to Walmart. Well, it's Walmart and Dollar Tree, but I have to do Walmart first. That's the disadvantage of make sure I don't split blind out here. The disadvantage of a small vehicle like this with no way to close it, lock it up, is that you can't leave packages in there or anything. You know, you got a limited amount of weight that you can carry with you, and you can't leave a lot of packages and stuff. I'm gonna stop it here. Do a full stop. Adjust my camera. Make sure it's good to go. This guy's hauling butt. And he ran red light. I don't want to be anywhere near him. Not on my little scooter. Alright, the wind's blowing right at me. I'm full out on my scooter. I got the external microphone plugged in, and this should give me a good indicator of how well the external microphone works. I need to adjust my left mirror though. I'm going to stop up here. I don't want to try it while you're driving. Good way to bust your butt. Come in more. I need you to come in more. Alright, let's go. Pretty nice out here today. The maintenance guy I was talking to right before I got ready to go, he was out here Sunday. Normally you don't work today, but he's on 24-hour call. Somebody ran their air conditioner super cold all night, and it froze up. That's what happens, because you don't need an air conditioner. It got down to 64, 63 degrees Fahrenheit last night, so. Yeah, you really got to watch the rocks. This is a small tire, a narrow tire. The bike I'm getting tomorrow is a 20-inch tire. 20-inch by 4-inch. 4-inch wide, I think. So it's taller and wider. The advantage of that is it's going to handle rocks and rougher terrain a lot better. It's also a pedal assist, folding type and everything, so I got a lot of wind. This will be a good wind test. I may edit this out and I'm not going to include all of it because it's just rambling. Unless something happens. Badger runs out in front of me. Woo, gotta watch that sand too. See, parts of the shoulder is alright. So the closer you get to the edge, close to the edge. I'm always living on the edge. But yeah, this is just a run to Walmart and then Dollar Tree and then back home. I'm not doing a lot of super exploring. I just wanted to test this out with the microphone. Here's a narrow area you really got to watch. The car's coming up behind you real fast. said railroad track. Also, I saw the car behind me with the rear view mirror, so I let them pass. I didn't try to, if I didn't know they were behind me, I might mess around and find out. A hardcore motorcycle guy. He probably didn't even notice me and my little scooter. I'm a two-wheeler. Mine don't make that noise. I can do it. Glove. I saw a glove on the road. A work glove. I don't need it. I got gloves on. It'd only be one, and it probably wouldn't fit. It's probably got cooties. Cooties. Here's your hose fitting for all you hosiers. Now see, this was a kind of a long way. I could have taken that more scenic route that parallels this right here to the left, but there's not a lot of traffic today. This one's heavily traveled. It's a 4-lane. Dang. There was a postal vehicle behind me. I didn't want him to have to get crowded. Here, we'll take a shortcut. Save my butt. Over here by the church. Left, I think it's a Catholic church playground and everything. Yeah, St. John's. There's a gym straight across the street. This is South Paris. Whoa! You gotta stop, Jim. We fix you good. I know a lot of people. I noticed a lot of people on e-bikes and stuff in some videos. They don't stop at stop signs. They just blast through them. I might do it on a really remote country road where there's absolutely no one around. But a city, where a cop could give you a ticket, because you can get a ticket for blowing a stop sign on an e-bike. You can get a ticket. Right. I'm just trying not to get run over. That's all I'm trying to do. Every route has its hazards, road conditions, traffic conditions, speed, everything. See, there are no sidewalks. There's a sidewalk over there, and really technically this is kind of like a bicycle, kind of like a bicycle. It doesn't have pedals, and it only goes so fast. But it's legal. It's legal for me to be on the road. Alright, still got 4 bars. All that way, 4 bars. I expect to use up at least 1 bar on this. Possibly 2. But like I said, we're not going anywhere super wild. The whole round trip should be like about maybe 10 miles, maybe. I want to go straight across. Can we make it? I'm not going to try. I'm going to go this way. seat, scooter.
Turn too soon. Turn too soon. I turn too soon. I turn. It's got a tight turning radius. You don't want to get too tight with this sucker. Unless you got a foot out. You don't want to turn too tight. Did you beep at me, mister? I'll mess you up. I'll mess you up right now. Get out that Jeep. Get out that Jeep, sucker. Get out that Jeep or get pulled out. Sorry. Road rage on a scooter. Look at him. He's not following traffic. He's not following traffic patterns, sir. I'm gonna have to arrest you. Well, it told me to stop here. Well, I sort of stopped. See, I ain't gonna run over people. He can go, he can go. So here. That's funny enough. Tuck the cord in. You better tuck that cord in, mister. Switch on. Pull over, sir. Not there. I didn't want you to pull over there. No brakes, I can't stop. Stop. See, my parking space is open. It's always open. It's always reserved for me. Because I'm special. It's special parking right here. Reserved for special people. Alright. Hi. Switch off. Wheels up, ignition on. I'm going to adjust myself here. I'm seated now. I need to adjust my mirrors correctly.
And we are off on another adventure. Wait a minute, let me check again. Make sure everything tight. Everything tight, yes. We go now. We try not to get killed. It's not California, it's Texas. Oh, bumpy, it's bumpy. Real little track. We want to go straight. We want to go straight. So we wait until light changing. My mango almost bounced out. And I got a cupcake warming up in the front. Hey, he's light. He's light, no? He's light, see? I hear a train. Can we make it before cross car come down? I'm at top speed. No tailwind to help me. Maximum head of speed though. Gotta go slow here still though. Don't want to get crushed by train. It's good. We make it. We make it now. Up here we make it left. So we make it left. We'll go this way. This other car was coming right now, those two cars are coming, I'd pull over on the driveway. I'm not in that big of a hurry to get killed, because there's no shoulder here, there's no real shoulder. And I'm only going 15 and the speed limit is 30. So they're impatient, man. They're not going to wait behind me while I hog the road. They'll beep at me, run me over, push You must obey some traffic laws. I'm gonna obey this traffic law right here, that I'm allowed to go right on red. I'm gonna go right here, because I'm not taking that shoulder. I'm taking it right here. I'm not taking the whole lane. You can have it. Whoa, well, I ain't going in that sand. That's a Jeep truck. What do they call that one? But it's got a little boat. It's going to Lake Bardwell, I bet. I don't remember what they call it. Commando? I don't know. But it's basically, instead of the back wheel, it's a truck. Man, if they would have had that when I got my Jeep, ooh, I ran over a piece of wood. I'd have gotten one of those. Haven't touched my mangoes yet. Hopefully everything's well secured back there. I didn't bunch you the front. The back is fully bungeed. What do we got here? Part of a cargo strap. See, I can make a noise too. That'd be funny to add the sound effects of a loud vehicle to this on a speaker. You know, like a loud gas-fired vehicle, race car or something. Tied to the throttle. The faster you turn it, louder it gets. They go, what the hell? Where is that coming from? A little electric scooter. Can't even go 15 miles an hour with a tailwind. Well, it might. I've gotten it up pretty good speed. I don't know exactly what it is, but I think it's close to the rated speed. Nice day today. At first I thought these long sleeve shirts would be too hot, but it's not too hot, and it'll keep me from getting sunburned because I didn't put any sunscreen on. I want to get some vitamin D, you know. I don't want to block it all out. I wouldn't get sunburn on this, but still, it might be uncomfortable. And I got a blue jean jacket on, so that covers up. Otherwise, I'm camoed out, man. I got a camo t-shirt on. You know, so I don't want to get too camoed with them. But yeah, successful run to Walmart and Dollar Tree. My sister doesn't work on the weekends normally, so she wasn't in there. And so I didn't get to yammer with her. Of course, I bought way more than I should have, but I was factoring in the amount of purchases I was getting. So I knew what I was getting into. And I didn't want to overload my little scooter. I knew I couldn't get too carried away. Alright, I gotta cross over here. As soon as there are no vehicles behind me. I'm gonna get up here and cross the proper way. Cross the proper way. This is the proper way to cross this one here so you can get T-boned. This is so you can get T-boned properly. You know, if you're gonna get T-boned, you want to get T-boned properly. You don't get T-boned all the way. Hit you dead stop right in the middle. What do you think your chances of living are? 0, pretty damn low. 1, maybe 1%. Might live. Whoa.